Closing arguments begin tomorrow in the Colorado theater shooting trial. The defense claims gunman James Holmes was insane at the time of the attack, but prosecutors disagree, and they are pushing for the death penalty.
Legal analyst Rikki Klieman is here with us. Rikki, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
What are we expecting tomorrow with these closing arguments from both the prosecution and the defense?
Both closing arguments will be powerful because both lawyers have places to go that are highly emotional as well as fact-based. This is not a case of who did it. We know that he did it. He's admitted to doing it. It's simply a case of looking at the inner workings of his mind, which I think intrigue all of us. The insanity defense in Colorado is a bit unique because the prosecution has the burden of proof beyond a reasonable doubt that he is sane. So the defense only had to raise the issue of insanity. But ultimately, just as the Boston bombing case, the amount of carnage on that horrendous, tragic night in July of 2012, where 12 people are killed, 70 are wounded, and an entire theater, which are filled with innocent people, including children, that those people have gone through something that is just unspeakable. So the prosecution has the facts on their side and has two psychiatrists on their side.
And those two psychiatrists, Rikki, have given sort of vastly different opinions as to whether or not Mr. Holmes was insane during the taking of this crime. How is that going to impact what we're going to see in the next coming days?
Well, I think in the closing arguments, as always, these are cases that are battles of experts. And you have the psychiatrists who have testified for the prosecution, who were court-appointed, both of whom say that although he was mentally ill, I think there is no dispute that this man is mentally ill, but that he could distinguish right from wrong, and that is the standard in Colorado. On the other hand, the defense has two psychiatrists who say, yes, he was mentally ill, and no, he could not distinguish right from wrong. One of the leading psychiatrists who was on the stand for 4 days of grueling cross-examination during the defense case is a woman who heads a schizophrenia clinic at the University of Pennsylvania. She is an expert in this field, and she has said he is suffering from schizophrenia. The jury had 50 questions for her. 50 questions, unheard of. So you're going to hear a lot of technical evidence, psychological evidence in the closings, but I bet the emotion is highly powerful.
I'm sure it will be. Rikki Klieman, thank you so much.
Thank you.